Next section, muscular and glandular controls of behavior. Next, detail about glandular system. Two systems that control body activities are the glandular system and the nervous system. The endocrine system influences all aspects of health and well-being. Hormones regulate body function and behavior. Define glandular system. Glandular systems are the communication network that regulates our ambitions and emotions, promotes growth and sexual identity, helps to control body temperature, assists in the repair of broken tissue, and helps our bodies to generate energy. Types of glandular systems. There are two types. One, the exocrine, which secrete fluids to the outer surface of the body, such as sweating. Second, the endocrine, which generally secrete hormones through the blood stream. Detail going on. First, exocrine glands. Definition: any gland of the body that produces secretions and discharges them into a cavity or through a duct to the surface of the body. Exocrine glands. Goblet cell found in mucous membranes. Single cell duct. Look at this picture. Sweat gland found in skin. Multi-celled coiled symbol duct. Look at this picture. Next, sebaceous gland found in skin. Multi-celled acinar symbol duct. Exocrine glands found in salivary glands, multi-celled compound tubular, found in mammary glands, pancreatic glands, multi-celled compound acinar. Kinds of exocrine glands. First, sweat gland. Second, salivary glands. 3, mammary glands. 4, pancreas, secrete insulin. 5, gallbladder. at the skin, sebaceous glands. Look at this, sweat gland, sebaceous. Some more picturization is gallbladder, pancreas, then sublingual gland. Look at this, salivary gland. Second, endocrine system. Definition. The endocrine system refers to the collection of glands of an organism that secrete hormones directly into the circulatory system to be carried towards a distinct target organ. Types of endocrine glands. First, pineal gland. Second, pituitary gland. 3, thyroid, parathyroid glands. 4, thymus gland. 5, adrenal glands. 6, islets of Langerhans in pancreas. 7, gonads, testes for males, ovaries for females. Look at this clear picturization. Ovary, testis, pancreas, adrenals, top of the kidney, thymus, look at this, parathyroid, thyroid, pituitary, hypothalamus, then pineal glands. Look at this. Organs secrete hormones, hypothalamus, pineal gland, pituitary gland, thyroid, stomach, liver, duodenum, pancreas, adrenal glands, adrenal medulla, kidney, ovary, placenta when pregnant, uterus when pregnant, testes for males, ovaries for females. Look at this, calcium regulation by parathyroid glands and their hormones. Endocrine glands, their functions. Pineal gland functions or regulates seasonal changes and puberty. Hypothalamus regulates hormones released from pituitary gland. Pituitary glands produces a number of hormones which stimulate growth and development. Thyroid involved in metabolism and blood homeostasis. Adrenal glands regulates metabolism and body hair, helps maintain blood sugar level. Pancreas involved in the metabolism of sugars. Gonads stimulate the development and maintenance of sexual characteristics and behavior. Stomach involved in digestive processes. Heart promotes salt loss in urine. Next subsection, hormones. Define hormones. Hormones are chemical substances that act like messenger molecules in the body. After being made in one part of the body, they travel to other parts of the body, where they help control how cells and organs do their work. Steroid and non-steroid hormones. Steroid hormones are almost all synthesized starting with cholesterol. It includes testosterone, estrogen, progesterone. Non-steroid hormones are mostly peptide based. Endocrine glands and their hormones. A hypothalamus, hypothalamic releasing a inhibiting hormones, regulate anterior pituitary gland and hormones. B. Posterior pituitary. 1. Antidiuretic hormone stimulates water reabsorption by kidneys. Second, oxytocin stimulates urine muscle contractions and release of milk by mammary glands. The anterior pituitary. First, thyroid stimulating hormone stimulates thyroid. 2. Adrenocorticotropic ACTH stimulates adrenal cortex. 3. Gonadotropic FSH LH egg and sperm production, sex hormone production. 4. Prolactin PRL milk production. 5. Growth GH cell division, protein synthesis and bone growth. D. Thyroid. 1. Thyroxine T4 and triiodothyronine T3 increase metabolic rate, regulates growth and development. 2. Calcitonin lowers blood calcium level. E. Parathyroids. Parathyroid PTH hormone raise blood calcium level. F. Adrenal cortex. First, corticoids or cortisol raise blood glucose level, stimulate breakdown of protein. 2. Mineralocorticoids ribose sodium and excrete potassium. 3. Sex hormones stimulates reproductive organs and brings on sex characteristics. Look at this adrenal gland, top of the kidney. G. Adrenal medulla, epinephrine and norepinephrine released in emergency situations, raises blood glucose level, fight or flight response. Right pancreas. First, insulin lower blood glucose levels, promotes formation of glucogen. 2. Glucogen raise blood glucose levels. I. Testis. Testosterone stimulates male sex characteristics. J. Ovaries. Estrogen, progesterone stimulates female sex characteristics. Thymus stimulates production and maturation of T lymphocytes. L. Pineal gland control circadian and cranial rhythms, possibly involved in maturation of sexual organs. Role of hormones. First role, they help regulate our internal fluids, blood pressure. Second, control the entire digestive processes, provide energy. 3. Regulate circadian rhythm or body clock. 4. Contraction of smooth muscle and heart muscle, glandular secretions. 5. Immune system activities. 6. Involved in growth and development. 7. Regulate the reproductive system. Hormones and possible behavioral correlation to altered secretion. Hormones. First, growth hormone GH. The behavioral correlation to altered secretion. Adrenocorticotrophin hormone ACTH. Increased level, mood disorders, psychosis, decrease libido. Decreased level, depression, apathy, fatigue. Gonadotropin hormone. Six, antidiuretic hormone ADH. Increased testosterone, increased sexual behavior and aggressiveness. 7, oxytocin, increased level, depression, polydipsia, altered pain response, modified sleep patterns, etc. Major processes controlled by hormones. 1. Reproduction process. 2. Growth and development. 3. Mobilize body against stress. 4. Maintenance, electrolyte, water, nutrient balance in blood. 5. Metabolism. Process and physiology of behavior. Look at this flow chart. Stimulus from environment. Sensory neurons by sensory organs. Brain, PNS, CNS, cognitive processes. Glandular system, endocrine, exocrine. Relay neuron, interneuron. Motor neurons. Musculoskeletal system, contraction and relaxation. Behavior. Pictorial representation, the process of behavior, stimulus from environment, receptor by sensory neuron. This is sensory cell body, white matter in spinal cord, CNS, then integration center, look at this, then association neuron, this is motor cell body, motor neurons, then effector in the muscles and response as behavior. Look at this, the afferent and efferent fibers often pass in this same nerve. So this is a reflex or shows how neuron type work together to determine behavior. Look at this, sensory receptors in muscles and skin, sense organs. This is efferent neuron, motor, muscles. Then some more pictorial representation, sensory neurons receive stimulus from senses or sense organs, interneurons, CNS, look at this, motor neurons to effector, muscle, gland, produce response, which is behavior. Look at this wonderful picture, how reflex or behave. hot object, pain receptors in skin receive direction of impulse. Look at this. In muscle, look at this, in green in color is afferent neuron, cell body of afferent neuron, axon afferent neuron, then self body of inter neuron, then spinal cord, cell body of efferent neuron. This is blue in color, axon of efferent neurons, and muscle contraction, withdraws parts being stimulated. This is a muscle stimulated by efferent neuron and reflex, which is behavior. Detail going on. Stimulus. The stimulus from environment, such as physical, biological, social, psychological environment. Sensory neurons, the sense organs, perceive stimulus by sensory neurons, reach sensory cortex. Brain, in cognitive process, every parts of brain involve PNS, CNS to determine actions or behavior. Glandular system, such as endocrine and exocrine systems, are influenced by information from brain and secrete hormones and enzymes, stimulate interneurons, relay neurons or interneurons. It is a neuron which is transmit information to motor neuron. Motor neurons, this neuron receive information from brain through interneuron using neuron transmitters, example epinephrine and norepinephrine. Musculoskeletal system, the major neuron influenced by information received from brain, which have been determined contraction or relaxation of muscular and skeletal system. Behavior, which control behavior of internal organs as well as determine external behavior. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.